Why? A subnet is meant to be a security area. Okay, so you can't talk to anybody else. Same idea for myself. I'm a staff member here. Let's say this is IT school. Alright, I mean, when I'm using my machine in IT school, I cannot reach a machine in different school. I can't go and share files with it. It's impossible. The subnet is blocking it, blocks it up. Okay, for security purposes. Alright, and the smaller my group of networks, the faster it operates. Because my traffic doesn't flow everywhere, only with base number 6, for example. Okay, so subnets are there for protection and for speed. Again, all this is the nodes. Alright, that's why we use subnets. In this CNK, we will cover the fact that we can customize subnets, we can create subnets as well. Alright. Now let's jump back to our class address, okay? For one last thing before we call it in our morning, alright? You got class address, right? So I want to delay you all. CCNK tutorial, right? Okay. Okay, let's wipe this off a little bit. I'll talk about host bits and network bits. Alright, let's take a look at class address. Okay, network host. 24-bit number for my network, 8-bit for my host. Okay, let's find out how many networks I can have on a class C address. So total network number, okay, total network, alright. Total networks is what? Well, we're working in binary. Alright guys, binary, okay? PCs talk in binary. We talk in decimal and sometimes Hokkien, okay? But generally binary, right? Okay, so binary is base 2. Okay? The total number of networks on a class C address is base 2 to the power of number of bits. 2 power of n, where n can be number of bits. Okay? I use the math notation, n equals bits. That's how you do your math right last time. Okay? So 2 to the power of 24 is my total network number. Okay? But there's this concept called usable. Usable network number is 2 to the power of n minus 2, which is 2 to the power of 24 minus 2. That's the answer. Okay? I'll explain 1 minus 2. Alright? We'll explain that soon. Okay? That's network. What about host? Well, this is red pen. Total host, 2 power of n again, and number of bits for host. In this case, 8. So 2 power of 8. Okay? Alright? Usable host. Two power of n minus 2, 2 power of 8 minus 2. Okay? Usable means that on a network, this is the maximum number I can have to run properly. Total number, maximum number. This is the usable, the real number. Alright? This is the max, this is the real number. Let me explain a bit more. Okay? Let me draw a diagram on the whiteboard. You just try and follow me here. We're writing down. Alright, we'll end off in about 5 minutes. Okay, on the network, I have this. Alright, this is my network address. Network map. Okay, inside my network map, I may have some subnets. So for example, I have one subnet here, subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2. Okay, subnet 1, 0 and 2. Alright? Now remember, the very first address of any